back on site. Got a helper today. We got a lot of rain all night and today. Max had a half a day, so picked him up at school and gonna get him in the mud with me. Put in these pipes real quick because we got tar coming tomorrow. Foundation is all in, looking nice. There's gonna be a window here. Get these pipes in, and then tomorrow we'll install the stone. Some 90s. Let's get to it. Whoo, she's muddy in here. Got the pipes going in. Just Max, bring over. There you go. Medium-sized pipe and a 90. Hopefully this will. I don't think I even brought enough pipe today.
Are you sure this is gonna
Yeah,
work?
just hand me that pipe. Give me this and then this. Yeah, perfect. Let's see what we got here.
It's so muddy.
It is muddy. Sorry, we got mud boots on. Nope, we ain't got enough there. Bring over another short piece. We might be able to make it work. I definitely don't have enough pipe, but at least I could get this in before she caves in. Let's get this shoveled out. Bring a shovel too, Max. We need a shovel out of the van. All right, pal, you got the shovel?
Uh-huh.
All right, I need a shovel and that small pipe will work. Nice and nice. Give me a shovel. Let me get some of this mud out of here.
You want me to do it?
You can come down. If you're gonna come down, you gotta come down the hole. Watch out. Hey, look. Pay attention to me. There's spikes in the wall.
Okay.
They will cut you. Keep your eyes and hands away from them.
Okay.
All right, Max is taking that little hump out with his little shovel. We're getting the water to hit this pipe.
There's a rock,
Then we'll
Dad.
connect. Yeah, it's rocky.
Ugh.
Then we're gonna connect it.
See that big rock?
I see it.
Ugh. Ugh.
It's mucky, right?
Yeah.
Just take a hunk out and then we'll level it up with our feet. Get as much as you can out. There you go. Yeah, it's a 10-foot stick, that's why.
Ugh.
Big and heavy, he says. The wind's taking it on him. We got this all cleaned out. Back on site. We got 3 inches of rain last night. There is muck and mud running everywhere. I'm just gonna clean this up just so I could track in here and drop a load of stone off just to get these pipes all stoned and the inside stoned. All right, just gonna scrape away this mud. It's not gonna dry out, but it's just gonna get out of here so I can at least get some kind of, I mean, this is just crazy. Look how soft that is. That's about till June till that dries up. Oh my lordy. But at least this will give me enough where I can get away from the bank, because those banks are soft. They're starting to crack and everything else. You guys know the deal, how that works. We went up above. I mean, you can't even walk on the lawn. It's like literally your feet get completely soaked and you drop in. It's like you're walking on a marsh. I don't know how to explain it, but definitely over to the left there needs a drain, French drain cut. He put one in over to the right and it's working well. It looks like he just didn't go far enough. So we'll straighten him out if he wants us to. If not, I don't know what to say. It's gonna happen and happen and happen. It's never gonna dry out. Just tilt my tilt bucket to the right a little bit to keep the water from going in that hole. Like I said, this is just gonna be a quick clip for you guys on a day that I'm here that normally I wouldn't even film. Just shows you the real life, what we deal with, us contractors. It's always not pretty. You just gotta fight through it and hope for better days for weather, you know. Thank God we got the foundation in, so basically the schedule is for me just to come and do this. And I'm not, you know, I don't have the stress of the foundation guys come in and making everything right for them. We're already past that point. We got lucky. Just about at the end of my cut for the cleanup. And I'm gonna assess and probably get the heck out of here. Let this dry up. Supposed to have all weekend, supposed to rain anyways. I don't know. I got that another foundation to dig an hour away from here. Big house. We gotta start next week. I gotta mobilize the D51 down there and strip the site. You guys will recognize that site. The people that have been following me, we're finally gonna put the house in there. So stay tuned to the channel to get that, and stay tuned for the giveaway. I haven't done that yet. I just been occupied with other things, but anybody that wants to get in on that giveaway, you got to go to that last video and comment on that. Get a Carhartt coat. Diesel equipment. The diesel equipment tilt bucket. Check it out. All right, first scoop of the stone. Oh, she's tipping forward. Hang on, let's get the blade down. Put the blade down. We're gonna have to do all the, usually we put the stone in before the walls are up. So this is gonna be a little more challenging because I can't see. But it is what it is. I mean, the way it worked out, we had to do it that way. So a little harder on me, but I could get the wall guys in here the next day without, it was just too much mud. Hang on, we're rocking. Hang on, let's get her going. Too much mud. So this is just gonna cause me to have a little more hand work because I can't see what I got going here. Tilt bucket coming in handy for the corner here. Still baling stone. Nothing's changed since you left. Getting her in there, making piles. I'll have to rake it out in a bit, but hopefully we got enough with one load. I probably should take care of the center. Might have to grab another one for the outside. Not sure yet. On paper it calls for one, but you know how that works. Quite muddy. I put a pipe down in there, so I'll be able to tie that pipe into the footing drain. Got all the stone there. We're gonna have a 4-foot cutout here, a concrete chunk to go into the other basement, and that well line's getting addressed tomorrow. They're just gonna 90 it down and go under the stone so it's under the concrete floor. Coming along. Pipes all in, connected, stone inside, stone around the whole outside. As you saw, it got tarred. Be good to go for backfill inspection. Hopefully get some gravel tomorrow. A couple loads right here and install it. What's up, my people? It's been raining every day since we dug this. Got the resin paper here. That's what we use. It you just put it down on the stone. It allows you to put this dirt on the stone, and then by the time this rots away, the soil is stabilized and you don't have to worry about it filtering down into the pipe. Nice 4-foot hole is cut out. What a mud show. This whole thing slid. Not gonna mess with it. Just gonna track through it. Gotta stay away from that bank that we don't slide into it. Let's get the gravel in. We made it across. Go nice and easy here. We tight fit. Sprinkle it on there so it doesn't cause any damage to the paper. Tilt bucket coming in handy again. not sure how much they want me to film of this stuff. At least it stopped raining today. It's probably going to start back up, not sure when, but you know it, this time of year. Better than snow, although I went to Boston over the weekend and went through the Berkshires and there was a 1/4 inch of snow on the ground and it was 27 degrees up over the mountains. Gotta remember to clean the top of that wall off before I leave. You want to give the carpenters a nice clean surface, make everybody happy. Then they want you back on the job. You know how many top of foundations I see with piles of crusher run or stone and it rains on it and it gets hard and it becomes a nightmare and they can't snap their lines clean. And always look out for the guy coming next. Yeah, this slop may have to get loaded out after a week straight of rain. Doesn't look like it's going to really dry out and it's going to be easier just to load it out. Put it at the yard and stockpile. I got 2 spots to dump close by, but not sure with the conditions if we can get in there. Worst case, bring it back to the yard, stockpile it, and then sell it off. 2 trucks of backfill should do this. The overdig a little bit bigger in the backside, but I think 2 trucks will get us good. Let's fill it up. Second load should do it. Gonna have to track this one into the back, but the banks are okay because oh, there's the door. The banks are okay because we're filling as we go, so I don't have to really worry about that. One good thing about the mud, it's straightening my tracks out. I got kinks in these tracks because they only got 400 hours on them, on the chains. And when they sit over the winter, they keep getting all frozen again. Still trekking through the mud. Looks like we're gonna have a storm pop through right now. Just scraping, cleaning as I go. Get as much as I can because we're really just only gonna have enough right to the barrel here. So there's no waste here. Gonna have to use all them pebbles and everything else, but we're almost there. As you see the mud. But it's working out. Hey, you just spun on me. Sorry about that. Show you what we got here. We're working it up. This is a big overdig here because it kept caving in. Just taking it and packing it in under that deck as I go. Alright, everything's all filled up. Just gonna slick off this mud so it dries because I'm not gonna be here the next couple of days. Hopefully it's gonna dry up. The sun hits it somewhat, but we'll see what it does. The grade here, I mean, I don't know if they're gonna want to. If I have to move that slop, it's just gonna be weeks to dry out before I can do anything. So I think we're just gonna load it out, but I can't make that call yet. It's not my decision. But at least this will get hard. The next couple of days we'll be able to walk on it. Out. All right, on the last slick, last look at the tilt bucket at the angle. Nice and nice. Fill in my rut here. Like I said, we've got a foundation to go start, and we'll leave this one and let it dry. At least the guys can come and start framing. Put the machine over here on the side. See you guys on the next one.